Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Roman Dutta. I work as a thoracic surgeon with the Max Healthcare. And in today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the empyema thoracis. As you all know, that it is a very common problem that we encounter in our surgical wards as well as medicine wards. And most of the times, if the effusions, which is the first stage of an empyema thoracis, is not managed appropriately or correctly, it can lead into the later complicated stage of empyema thoracis. To begin with, as you all know, that the empyema is a collection of pus in the pleural cavity, and worldwide, the incidences of pleural space infection is increasing both in adult as well as in pediatric populations. Therefore, only it is important that our surgical residents uh, know and understand the pathophysiology of the development of empyema thoracis and also know how to treat it appropriately. Most of the times, the empyema thoracis would be treated with antibiotic and simple pleural space drainage. But as we are going to discuss in the current lecture, if it is not treated well in line with the accepted principles, then it can lead into a complicated pleural space empyema with its attendant high morbidity and mortality. Therefore, I would believe that the surgical residents who are using this conceptual surgery forum, they would have a fairly good idea about the development, that is the pathogenesis of empyema, as well as the current accepted principles of the treatment that are applied while dealing with these kinds of patients. And I'm very hopeful that the current lecture is going to be useful to not only to our surgical residents, but also to the practicing surgeons who are interested in the thoracic surgical pathologies. Thank you.